Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this PNG and want to know how you could create that. And originally thought it was pretty, and it is easy. I thought it was easier than it actually was because there's a couple of things you got to think about. So we're gonna type out the word, make it a little bit bigger, and then make it bold. And here's the key: make 3 duplicates of it. Because once you do one thing, you kind of mess up. Now we're going to skew this forward. Then I'm going to rotate it 14 degrees. And that's just something I kind of came up with. Now, I'm going to put a black background on it in just a second, but what we're going to do now is I'm just going to do them all black right now. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to skew it back. And I don't know really mathematically how you would do it, but I'm just going to take the pick tool. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and left click, right click on both these because we're going to turn them white in a second, but it's easier to catch the line. And that area is going to change when I change the thickness of the line. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Object and convert it to a curve. And I'm going to turn it into a 0.125 line. That might be a little bit thick. And then I'm going to double click on it, move the rotation. Well, first of all, let's do that. Because I made it thicker, that line isn't kind of where I want it. I don't want the rotation yet. I just want the line. This might be easier to nudge. So what we're going to do is change my nudge factor to 0.01. And I'm going to grab that. I'm going to nudge it. See, to me, it's a lot easier to nudge. Then I'm going to double click and move that rotation right to that node. And then I can rotate it to there. It looks a little long, and we are. And that's probably because of the line. So I'm going to nudge it like that. And you can always make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Then I'm just going to kind of nudge it up. Now, we can make it all white here in a second. But see, now I need to skew this thing backwards. And it would be helpful if, and I'm going to maybe make a second video and show how to scale it a percentage. And I'm going to put that right there, but I'm going to go ahead and change the hairline. So I've got to go to Object, convert it to a curve to get my outdoor pen or my pen tool. And I might be a little bit thick, but I'm going to just kind of move it right to there. And then I'm going to put the center rotation to there, and I'll rotate it 14 degrees. Now we're a little bit off, but I still got my nudge factor set low. So now here's kind of the key. We're going to make this a white outline. Make this a white outline. And I'm going to take a black box and make it black. And then go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And, well, the center one's white too. So I'm going to make it white. That's pretty close. This is skewed a little bit more. And I'm gonna make a second video because I think there's another way to do this. Now to add those words, and then just go ahead and type the awesome. And then go up to Object and break the words apart. And then I'm gonna I'm going to go ahead and make them bold. Then I'm going to bring them over to my picture. And I'm going to take this top one, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And it should fit right on that B. It might be too big. And the first one, it was 90 degrees. This one's not going to be. So we're going to play with that a little bit. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. And then just rotate it kind of along that line. I really think maybe the second way might be a little easier, at least for the words. And then this one is going to fit right in here. And it's just going to, normally you'd have to smart fill it, and you'd probably want those texts to be the same size. So you can grab that. And our text is 1452. So I'm going to grab that text and go 14.52. And then just, well, really that should be is it going to be the 14? Yes, it is. And it's on top of the wordage. So I think that's a done deal. Theirs is a little bit different, but you can play around with, making this, what this is, and I think that please watch part 2 if it works out, if it works like I think it's going to. But anyway, I hope that helped them, and thank you for watching.